Let's have a look at exercise 4.02 from the Gamma mathematics textbook. Now, these questions involve using kind of a certain strategy which we're going to talk about, which is the reverse BEDMAS. Now, in BEDMAS, we know that we're going to be doing it in the following order. We're going to, first of all, solve brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction in that order. But when we're going to be doing equations where we've got multiple terms of different types, we don't do it in this order. In fact, largely what we do is in the reverse order. So let's have a look at what we've got. So number one is 2x plus 4. So here we go. So this is exercise 4.02. We've got number 1, and it's 2x plus 4 equals 18. So the first thing we're going to do is, rather than go straight away and do brackets, exponents, division, multiply, we're going to start at the other end and say, is there anything we can add or subtract? And straight away we notice that in fact there is. So I'm going to restate this. I'll just make this slightly higher. Here we go. So we've got ourselves a 2x plus 4 equals 18. I'll restate this, and then I'll tackle the problem on this level. So the first thing I've noticed is I want to get all the unknowns to the left side and all the knowns to the right side. So here is the left-hand side over here. Here is the right-hand side on the other side of the equals. So we're on this side of the equals, we're on the left side, and we've got a known. We want to get the known over to the other side. So how do we undo a plus 4 is the question. Well, we undo a plus 4 with a minus 4. And of course, in algebra, we must do the same thing to both sides. So here we go. So I've got a plus 4 and a minus 4. Straight away, of course, a plus 4 and a minus 4 is 0. Now, I'm not going to write 0 on the next line, because writing a 0 would be redundant. It would be superfluous. It would be additional to what we need. So I'm just going to write the 2x, which is what we've got left, and 18 minus 4 is 14. Now, the next question as well. Here, we were undoing a plus 4, and now we're working our way along. We've done the subtraction or addition. Now, is there anything we can multiply or divide? So let's have a look at this now. Oh, yes, there is. We've got 2x means 2 times. So let's go out of focus. Here we go. So 2x, we want to undo a 2 times x. This is a times 2. The x is multiplied by 2, because 2x means 2 times x. So how do we undo a times 2? Well, we undo a times 2 with a divide by 2. And of course, we must do the same thing to both sides. Now, fortunately, this is very simple now, because we've now got 2 divided by 2, and anything divided by itself is 1. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. And I could just write 1 here, as in 1x, but 1 times x is, of course, just x. So I'm going to write x on the next line. And 14 divided by 2 is 7. And there is my solution.